Hi guys, welcome back to another trade recap video. Today is the 4th of February 2026 and I will be going through today's price action and share why I did not take a trade today. Okay, so going into the day, I was just very bearish. Reason being, we inversed this daily gap as well as we tapped into this 4-hour gap right here. And we also inversed this 1 hour. So there is a very good chance that price is just gonna run down, take all of this sell side liquidity before running back up. So these are all the targets that I was looking for. So on pre-market, I expect price to just trade higher, taking up the buy side liquidity above here, which was also the London highs. And that would also tap into the 4-hour gap. So if price traded up here and tap into this 4-hour gap, as well as taking out these buy side liquidity, I can see price just easily trading down and taking all of this sell side liquidity as well. But price did not do that, and that's fine. Price just on market open just traded lower, took out all of this liquidity, and what happened? So price took out all of this liquidity, while ES, we can see ES did not take out these. So we form a buy side SMT. So this is a strong indication that price could want to reverse, and so I look for an entry. So over here we have a 5-minute fair value gap, which if we inverse, then we would enter, targeting all of these LRL above, all of this low resistance liquidity. However, this wasn't a good entry, even though we can see that we clearly inversed this 5-minute. The reason being is because we took too long to inverse this. So this wasn't a clean inverse, and as it was trying to inverse this gap, we generated so much LRL here. So with all of this liquidity below, price is just gonna drop back down and raid all of this. So because we took so long to inverse this gap, this wasn't a good entry at all. However, if we did inverse it early on in this candle or this candle, then it would definitely be an A+ setup because there is obvious liquidity above with a nice stop loss for a 1-to-1. So yeah, that's it for the trade recap today. Oh yeah, look at this. Price just took out all of these lows. So that's it for the trade recap today. If you learned something new, please like, share, and comment. And if you want to learn more, you can join our Discord or WeChat. Thanks for watching.